Hi there, welcome back to my channel English Conversation Waiter and Customer. Good morning, sir. Here is your menu. Let me know when you are ready to order. Okay, thank you. After 5 minutes later. Wait here, I'm ready to order. Okay, what will you have? I want one plate of rice, one chicken jal fry, and one dal. Okay, anything else? Yes, I heard a lot of good reviews about your both items of the day. What do you have on your menu today? You had it right, sir. We make them fresh every day in a small quantity to ensure quality. Today we have the tomato burrata, aloo burrata, sim burrata. Which one will you like to try? I will have one tomato burrata and one sim burrata, and please do hurry. I'm starving. Okay, sir. I will be back with your food in a few minutes. That will be nice. Thank you. Thanks for watching.